This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's go back to the gold market, and as with other markets across the board, gold also has shown the drastic reversal to the upside. This is especially important with the chart that we have seen yesterday, and I said guys that based on the weekly time frame, this is not the dramatical retracement, only the 50%. That is absolutely normal when you see the first bounce up after the long-term bear trend, since the bear trend on the gold market was 12 months in a row. It's really significant plunge down within the almost a year. Market shows the downward action. That is just the first reversal swing that was made on the weekly chart, and the 50% retracement is not really dramatic, especially when you see the first reversal swing, because the previous bearish momentum of the market is still strong and presses on the market, and as I said, it doesn't allow market freely shows what it would like to do. Well, another moment here is the bullish seasonal trend that now stands on the gold, and the active phase of this trend will remain on the market till the new year, probably in January, February. Well, and that's why yesterday I said, guys, take a look at this chart. That could be the reverse head and shoulders pattern. And by the action that market has shown yesterday, we just have the more confidence with it and just get another confirmation of the possible reversal to the upside. Well, other signs that we see here is that butterfly, and the butterflies very often becomes the part of the reverse head and shoulders pattern. We see that saw that very often previously. Also take a look that this bottom stands at 1618 of that action. It's very typical for the head and shoulders, 1618 extension. Okay. Now market, the downward action has been held by big monthly pivot support one. That's also significant because we know that usually pivot supports holds the retracement down with the upward trend. That has happened. Market has tested monthly pivot bounce, retraces to the pivot support one, returns right back to the monthly pivot point and moving to the upside. It's very drastic action. Fundamentally, this action I think is triggered by the possible fears of the inflation, because the same FOMC, same Fed Reserve previously have said that we a bit worry about the inflation with our quantitative easing program, and we start to think about the contracting a bit, start to contract the quantitative easing program, since we expect that in the future this liquidity will come on the market and will lead to some uncontrolled inflation. That was the major fears. And when these measures have been announced, market has come down a bit, and gold market turned to the downside because there were no signs of the inflation at all, and especially with the comments from the Federal Reserve that they intend to contract the quantitative easing program has put, in fact, no fears on possible inflation at all. But as Federal Reserve announced yesterday that they still will continue to support the economy, these fears have appeared again, I suppose, and that probably have led to some splash on the gold market. Because previously you said that you tried to contract the quantitative easing, you tried to reduce the inflow of the free money. Now you have denied this again, and the fears of the inflation have arisen again. So that probably could be explained from that point of view here. But from the technical point of view, that is just nice rebounds of the potential upward action. If you measure the potential target, if this head and shoulders come in play, and if you measure the target of this pattern, A, B, C, bottom, D target stands precisely in our target that we have specified some months ago, 1550 area. It's right here. possible retracement. What is more interesting, that this level is the previous low border of the consolidation on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame. That was long time when the gold stands for a long time, and that could be the retesting. So in general, if this common plane market will really start this action, that stands absolutely in a row with our long-term analysis. Let's now take a look at the shorter perspective. On the short-term perspective, what we have, market stand right at the resistance. As we will see a bit later, this 618 resistance as well, from that move down. Also that's the monthly pivot point, and take a look daily overbought. So in the short-term perspective, market could show some bounce. Don't pay attention to this curious candle. That's again LPR UK. They very often shows some goofy candles on the gold market. In fact, this should be the white candle to the upside. Well, and after that, market probably could show some retracement. The situation is very similar to the euro currency. Well, we probably will try to use this retracement for taking the long position. Our major invalidation point will be right here. So if this rebounds to the upside, will fail, market will taken out of this lows with the thrusting candle, that probably will vanish the potential scenario of head and shoulders pattern, because that is most logical area where this and most reasonable area where this pattern should start to work. If this area will be vanished and destroyed by the market by action to the downside, well, that probably we will have to search for something else. But currently that is our working swing, that is our invalidation point, and since we're at resistance, we probably will start to search possibility to enter at some retracement. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the particular levels to watch for. Here's, by the way, the resistance on the daily time frame, 1380 area, roughly. It's right here, market has hit it. Well, since we at overbought, very probable that market will show the deeper retracement. From that perspective, I probably better will watch for the 1335. That's approximately the 50% support. Also, that is the 50% of that thrusting candle. Okay, that is previous natural support resistance area. So this resistance again, maybe this will become the support. Also, gold market likes to show the deep retracements. So some area between 1325, 1335 will be absolutely a logical area to watch for the potential, to treat it as the potential entry points. I don't know whether it will happen on the current week, because after such active week, traders probably could take some rest and take some profit from their recent action. We'll see, but that's level to watch for the potential entry in the long side of the market. It will be perfect if market will show some kind of the ABC reaction, or some pattern will be formed here that could point to this level, give us some agreement or something of that sort. But overall scenario in the gold market approximately as I have just described. So let's see what will happen. And gold market, as other markets now, really, as I said on the Euro research, really gives us a lot of opportunities for trading.